Hi, I'm Rob and I'm the team captain of Wavey Disc Felony, anagram of Flyway in VS Code. And what we're trying to do is provide an extension for Visual Studio Code that will enable Flyway users to be more productive by combining all the great Flyway features that you love with the editing experience of Visual Studio Code. So one thing we're particularly concerned about is the getting started experience, trying to make that as seamless as possible. So if you install our extension, you will get Flyway downloaded for you and set up. So we're trying to make it easy to create new migrations as well. So the whole getting started experience is simplified and made as easy as it possibly can be. At the moment, Flyway is mostly a command line tool. If you're getting started, it might be a bit difficult to get going with. So we're trying to make it as easy as we can. And we've got the main Flyway commands mostly implemented, and we're trying to build on that by adding some value where we can. Like the Flyway config file, we've added extra IntelliSense for that. Like the Flyway clean command, if you just ran that as is, it would drop everything in your database. We've added little warning prompts for security, like, are you sure you want to delete everything in your database? Just safety, it's nice to have. The new migration command takes care of the versioning for you, so it will sort out the version number of the new migration and make it as easy as we can.
Cool, okay, and you've done all of that in the last 36 hours or so?
Yes.
Excellent,
yeah.
Okay.
Got a great team.
Perfect, okay, thank you.
Thank you.